Hello, everyone. My name is Leo. Today, Mia and I are going shopping together. I feel excited for the day. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good morning, Leo. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Then we wear comfortable clothes for shopping. Let's check what we need from home.
We need milk, bread, fruits, vegetables, and snacks.
I will write everything on the shopping list.
Great! Now we are ready.
I take my wallet and shopping bag.
Don't forget your mask and reusable bags.
All set. Let's go. We lock the door and leave home. Wow, this supermarket is big and clean.
I love shopping here.
Let's find a basket first.
Sure.
I take a shopping basket.
I will take one too.
Now we are ready to start. Where can we find milk?
Let's check aisle 3 together.
Great, thank you. There are so many milk brands.
Let's pick fresh milk for breakfast.
This one looks good. Look at these fresh fruits.
Apples, bananas, and oranges are very fresh today.
Let's pick some for our breakfast and snacks. I like these red apples.
These bananas look perfect.
Great, let's put them in the basket. The bread smells so good here.
I love fresh brown bread.
Let's take one loaf. We need some vegetables.
Tomatoes, onions, and potatoes are very fresh today.
Perfect, let's get them. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, snacks and fruits are on sale.
Great, let's buy some chips and cookies too. Let's check the shopping list.
We have milk, bread, fruits, vegetables, and snacks.
Everything is done. I am ready to pay.
The checkout is near the exit.
Thank you for helping me today. How much is the total?
It is $20.
Here you go. Please pack carefully.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
We will. I am happy with our shopping.
Everything is fresh and good.
What a nice day. Wow, look at all the fresh groceries we bought today.
Let's put everything on the kitchen counter and admire our haul.
Shopping with you was so much fun, Mia.
Yes, today was a great day. Let's enjoy a fresh meal together.